One thing that I find really intriguing about Nancy is that she has a way of seeing right through the person, and when she does, she isn't shy to call it out. So it's thrilling to be in one of her workshops if you get an opportunity. I was blessed to be in one of them as well. The next question for you, therefore, Nancy, is tell us about one of your more memorable corporate events.
Actually, my work is very rewarding, Garima, and that's because, every time, even if there are 30 people, if one person comes up to you and says that thank you, nothing more, just that thank you is very fulfilling. And I remember I was doing this corporate event where there were 200 odd women, and we were doing it on self-esteem and unleashing the hero within. And so I asked in one of the activities to recall an incident where they felt unworthy and felt that they had low self-esteem, and they were just recalling the incident. And after reflection, I asked them that what if we can just reframe it, and what if you were your own best friend and you had to write a letter to your own self, and in a very caring and nurturing manner for the same incident, what would you say to yourself? And after that activity was over, and while it was going on, I could see eyes welled up. Some people were just looking at me with that warmth in their eyes. And I remember, and this is before Corona times, and one of the ladies stood up and she said, would you mind if I offer you a hug? And I said no. And I still, it gives me goosebumps, and I'm feeling emotional when I say this, because when she gave me a hug, I could sense her heartbeat. I could sense that there was a breakthrough. And I think that's a very memorable moment for me.
Incredible, incredible.